Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing this very nude, muted down holiday look. I know a lot of you guys are not into the bright red lips and all of that, so I thought this nude look would speak to a lot more of you guys, but at the same time it still has that glitter sparkle to just give it more of the holiday effect. If you guys like this video so far, then please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button down below. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on when I post my next video. If you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep watching. So we are going to be doing some skin prep. I'm just using the Avrani Hydro Whip Moisturizer for my base. And I know I still have the old packaging, but I should be getting the new one. This is the perfect moisturizer for underneath your makeup. It's super light yet creamy. I'm going in with the Fenty concealer to prime my lids. I also use this concealer later, but for right now I'm just using this as a primer. For today's look, I'm going to be using the 35O palette, the OG palette, and I'm using the first shade, which is a creamy off-white for the entire lid. And then I'm going to be going in with this creme brulee shade that's a little bit of orange, as well as this really muted taupey gray shade as my crease. I'm using a big fluffy brush to blend that all out. For my lid, I wanted to go in with a little bit of a cool tone brown. So I'm using this shade over here. It's pretty neutral, and then I'm also going in with a little bit of shimmer. I was still not really happy with the exact shade on my lid, so I went in with the Pretty Cool palette from Dose of Colors, and I used the middle shade. And the reason why I wanted to use this shade was a lot of the colors in the 35O palette are pretty warm and there are a lot of browns, but I wanted something more taupey and like more gray, so I thought this would be the perfect shade. As my eyeliner today, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner and just lining my eyes. I started off from the center and then I'm just creating the base line before I start winging it out. I guess you can call this the star of the show, but I'm using the Urban Decay glitter liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy and just lining the lid right above the black liner. As you can see, I'm just outlining it, and if there's any part of the black liner that you're not happy with, you can easily correct it with this liner. As you can see, I kind of made the mistake where I covered the black liner a little bit too much, so I actually go back in with the Epic Ink Liner and just fix that. Now for my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, and I'm just running my brows through that. And then I'm going to be using my Benefit Brow Pencil and just creating small strokes as hair. Again, my brows aren't too crazy where I really need to like draw a lot of things in, but it just has to be like a lot neater and sharper, so that's basically what I'm focusing on. I'm using the Rare Beauty, the side with the brown gel, and I'm just using that for a tint. And now let's get to the face. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Hydro Primer, And this is something new that I'm actually trying a lot of things from Huda Beauty out, and I have a whole video that is just dedicated to Huda Beauty products. So I use this then, and I'm pretty sure I'll give my reaction there. But I just used that today, and then I'm also using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Full Coverage Foundation. This I ordered during Black Friday, and I can't believe I did not have it before because it looks crazy. It's such a nice foundation. It has such a natural finish. It's full coverage, but it doesn't feel cakey. And I ordered it online, and my shade matched me perfectly. I know my forehead is like a lot darker than my skin, the rest of my face. Welcome to brown skin problems, but I will eventually blend that out with my bronzer and stuff. For my contour today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation stick in a darker shade. I'm just adding that color on my cheekbones, on my forehead, my jawline, and on my nose. And for my concealer today, like I said before, I'm using the Fenty concealer, and I'm just adding that underneath my eyes, on my nose, and on my chin. So as I was blending it out, I realized that the cream contour and the concealer sit so well on top of the foundation. Nothing moves, and I just feel like they work really well together. To set my cream contour, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, and I'm also using a fluffy duo fiber brush to snatch my nose and set it again with the same bronzer. To set my concealer, I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. And to set my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. And the reason why I'm setting my face now was just because I felt like I had a lot of powder on my face. And you'll see me usually using a mist right before I put on my blush or my highlight just to make those products pop. I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Sensual. And I'm also using my new favorite, Natasha Denona I Need a Glow highlighter. For my lips today, I'm going in with a nude shade, so I'm using the shade Cork from MAC to line my lips. I have two shades from Dose of Colors that just came in, so I really wanted to use those. One is Heartbreaker, and this is a more pinkish nude, and the other one is called Knock on Wood, and that's a more neutral beige nude. For my lashes today, I'm using the Ardell Wispies, and the reason why I wanted to use something like that was because I needed the glitter liner to show, so I didn't want to use a lash that was too thick. Then I'm going to go in with my Milk Mascara in Kush. And for my eyeliner, I'm going in with the MAC Graphic Black Liner. And this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and you got to see a lot of the new products that I used as well. I feel like brown nudes usually just speak to me more, but this is like the first time that I've really liked such a pinky nude shade, and I'm so excited to try more lipsticks from Dose of Colors. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this holiday look. It's like muted down as well as just has a touch of holiday to it, which I absolutely love. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have an amazing holiday. Stay safe and stay healthy. I will see you guys in my next video.